Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mix Shader in Blender. The Mix Shader node is a powerful tool for combining two distinct shader outputs, allowing you to blend materials or textures seamlessly. You'll learn how its factor input, ranging from 0 to 1, precisely controls the mixing ratio. This fundamental node is absolutely essential for crafting sophisticated and realistic material effects in your Blender projects. To begin, you'll need to add two distinct shader nodes to your material setup. Common choices include the principled BSDF for physically based materials or an emission shader for glowing effects. Next, connect the output of your first shader to the top input of the Mix Shader and your second shader's output to the bottom input. Always ensure both individual shaders are correctly configured before blending them together. The factor input is where the magic happens, as it precisely controls the blend amount between your two connected shaders. When the factor is set to 0, you will see only the first shader's output. Conversely, a factor of 1 will display solely the second shader. Any value between 0 and 1 creates a smooth, gradual transition, allowing for nuanced and dynamic material blending. The Mix Shader opens up a world of creative possibilities. You can mix shaders to simulate wet surfaces, dusty objects, or even combine glossy and diffuse shaders for convincing metallic effects. By using a texture map, such as a grunge map or a noise texture, as the factor input, you can achieve incredibly detailed and realistic blending, perfect for adding wear and tear or other complex material properties.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.